Hi, I'm Scotty. Welcome to Scotties Clock World. I've taken the parts out of the ultrasonic cleaner. They're certainly looking a lot better. Before I put them in, I wiped off the excess oil to give the cleaning fluid a better chance at cleaning them up. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Okay. We'll sort the movement out. Motion works. Undo those carefully. Strike train. The count wheel. And the fly on it. Going train. Right. And they're the clock nuts. They hold the plates together. In there. We'll now put the movement together and we'll check the bushes and the pivots and see if we need to do any rebushing. We'll put the motion works aside for the moment. We'll cut the wires that are holding all the parts together. Dispose of those. There, with a fly on top. Now the going side. Initially, we won't put the great wheels between the plates. The springs have been taken off, cleaned and greased, and they're waiting to go back in, but we'll leave them aside initially. It'll make it a lot easier to check the pivots if they're not there. There. Right, we'll start off with the going side train. First wheel. Second wheel. Down a little bit. And the third wheel, once we get that, the pinion mesh with the teeth. We'll leave the scape wheel out for the moment. We'll check these three first. Put the top plate on. Carefully push it down onto the posts. We'll put a nut on this bottom post to hold the movement together. Bit tight, but it'll do. Right. Now we'll put the pivots into the bushes, line up the post using a pair of tweezers. We'll put that up there. Move the third wheel pivot in, hold it together, give it a spin, right. Now, put another nut onto the plate to hold it together, and we'll tighten it down so we can get a proper view of the, it goes over there, so we can get a good view of the way that the pivot is interacting with the bush. Assuming with this on, they're a bit, threads are a bit crappy. Okay, tighten them up a little bit. A bit tighter. Okay, now we can have a closer look and see what rebushing we need to do. That one needs redoing, and that one, and that one. They're all pretty worn. Yep, they will all need redoing. You can see that pinion there moving, and the other ones, second wheel, is the same. Okay, so those three will have to be done. I'll take these wheels out off camera, then we'll look at the other ones. Second wheel, first wheel I mean, that post in, a bit out of whack, that's better. Second wheel, third wheel, and the fly. Hold it tightly. Give it a quick spin. Post is a bit bent. Makes it a bit harder to align the plates. Second wheel. Third wheel. Fly. Now put some more nuts on and tighten them up. Then we can have a look . A little bit. Are we all in? It's very tight. Back that off a bit. No end play in that at all. Absolutely none. Second wheel's got in play. First wheel, almost none. Third wheel has got no end play. You can see it's staying in the same place, this wheel here. That's why it's so tight. Having bent plates doesn't help particularly either, I don't imagine. Or bent posts anyway. Put that back down into there. That's a little bit better. Tighten this action again. And this guy. Now they're running now, but there's still no end play. Tiny little bit in the third wheel. First wheel nothing. And tiny bit in the second. And a marginal bit in the fly. Well, they'll all have to be redone too. Right, so we'll start off bushing. Rid of that. Take that out. On the going side, we'll get those done first. Then we'll check back again and see how we're going. Right. I'll look at straightening those posts out a little bit also, they're pretty rough. Okay. Now we need to know what size the pivot is on this wheel. 1.63 mil. This is the rack hook right here. That